Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your vision with VSP Vision Care, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding VSP Vision Care is crucial for securing your vision health. Visit the VSP website to familiarize yourself with their services. Explore the different plans available to see which fits your needs best. If you have an employer, check if they offer VSP as part of their benefits package. Compare the coverage options, including eye exams and eyewear. Gather your personal information, including your date of birth and address. Sign up for an account on the VSP website for easy access to your benefits. Once registered, navigate to the Find a Doctor section. Input your location to find nearby VSP network providers. Schedule a comprehensive eye exam with your selected provider. During your visit, discuss any specific vision concerns you may have. Ask about the options for frames and lenses covered by your plan. After the exam, review the eyewear options presented. Take advantage of any discounts on additional pairs if offered. Understand your out-of-pocket costs before finalizing your purchase. Receive your prescription and complete your eyewear order. Monitor your vision health by scheduling regular eye exams every 1 to 2 years. Stay updated on any changes to your plan or coverage options through your online account. Utilize additional resources on the VSP website for tips on maintaining eye health. Keep your membership information handy for easy reference in the future. By following these steps, you can secure your vision needs effectively with VSP Vision Care. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.